ride day.
It's January 24th. We got some snow, and it's still snowing.
Yeah.
So what are we gonna do? We gotta go play in it.
Yes. Fresh powder, man, in
Now,
Arkansas.
We might freeze to death. We have extremely low temps. That's way out of the normal here.
Yes.
I think it's was it 9 degrees out?
Yeah. High
like
of
that.
14.
High of 14, which it's not gonna get there. It's not gonna happen.
And it's snowing right now.
It is still snowing. It's supposed to be snowing and a little bit more this today, and then all of tonight. So
We decided to do the intro at home because we're going to have some major winter gear on just to attempt to ride.
Yes, and we're gonna try.
What are we going to do?
We're gonna cruise down to Mill Creek and go look at the waterfalls a little bit.
We're going to try.
Try.
Yeah.
But we may get down the road and go, let's go do this, back home, go.
Yeah. So it could be epic, it could not.
It could just be just seeing the pre-snow.
I'm so excited because normally I don't get a ride in fresh powder because I'm always working from home.
Yes.
It usually happens on a weekday, and it's Saturday.
Right,
so,
it's Saturday.
woo!
It snowed all night, so.
So yeah, I'm so excited. We're supposed to get more snow. Like it's the snowpocalypse forecast.
Yeah, I think we got, what, 3, maybe 4 inches up here. I bet not a little less down the mountain, but
Yeah.
we'll see.
And it's kind of like that hazy snow.
Yeah, and it's so cold, the snow's pretty fine, so it's not like a big fluffy snow.
Yeah.
It'll still be fun.
It's going to be fun.
Let's go try this.
Yeah, so we're going to bring you guys along. We don't know how it's going to go, but we're going to try our darndest to make it a good video. As everyone knows that makes content, GoPros hate cold weather.
And that might be part of the downfall of turning around back because we run out of batteries so
Yeah,
quick.
we do have 6 batteries, so
Yeah.
as long as our fingers don't freeze off, we're
The
good.
batteries fail.
Yeah, we're going to try it, man.
We're gonna try. If
Yeah, we're going to
Whatever, we get out in the snow a little bit.
we're going to give her heck.
We'll at least go down the neighborhood.
Heck yeah.
Scoop
All
it.
right, Juicy, what do you say?
Always an adventure.
It's
Here we go.
Definitely going to be an adventure.
Let's do this.
Yeah, man.
Bundle up, bundle
Stay
up.
tuned, see what happens.
Bundle up. First neighbor's been out.
Goofy from the Christmas Story?
Yeah, that's what I feel like. I can't hear nothing. I got all this stuff on.
What?
Oh!
What?
Like idiots. Dum-dums. Oh!
What?
Oh!
So what you talking about? We're smiling. You wouldn't know it, but we are. Almost frozen pond. Will the waterfalls be frozen?
They probably are.
Will we make it?
We're hopefully going to find out.
Oh, look for that. Buggy feels solid though. We are in 4-wheel drive, but
Yes. Overall, the tires feel great.
It feels solid. It has barely even.
No, I mean, I could make it do that, but it's not doing that.
It feels good. Heated seats? Yeah, that's where it's at.
The what?
Heated seats?
Yes.
I'm comfortable.
For this cold.
I'm not cold. I actually feel good.
I'm good other than my toes.
Alright, we're getting closer to Combs, Arkansas. No frostbite yet. We're doing good. Tracks out here. I'm impressed. Freaking rednecks though.
Oh yeah, I'm not surprised.
This is their time to shine right now.
It is. It is.
They're like, we're heading to Donut City, mother effer. Woo! There you go, Juicy. here. Not anybody camping.
Are you talking? I can't hear.
No one's camping.
Oh, no, it's camping.
I don't know why.
What the hell? Yeah, they may not be open.
Juicy needs some toe warmers. Poor little feller. Look at how much snow's in
Are they in
here.
there?
They're in the dry bag.
They're in the dry bag?
Pretty quiet here. There's like, it's like literally the apocalypse. There's not even dogs barking. I have no idea if you can hear me. Juicy, it kind of feels like the end of the world out here.
It kind of looks like it.
Wow. Tigers are doing great, huh?
Yeah, they're doing great. It's crazy how well they're gripping and maneuvering.
Yeah. Upside down.
I know.
Going down this road to Mill Creek. We can hit up Mill Creek trails on a snow day.
One time that I can think of.
No, I said how awesome is it?
Oh, not very often.
No, how awesome!
Oh, awesome! Yeah! It's badass. I mean, great.
I have this thing over my mouth. He can't hear me. Can you?
Mark the ball and the stocky hat.
Old people.
All I hear is
Oh my gosh, this video might be a bust. Whoa! They got a... Yeah, there's where you go hang out, right there.
Good day to burn, that's for sure. Today, yeah, we're good. But we have something worse than dust.
Oh yeah.
That's snow backdraft.
Yeah. Yeah.
A little chilly.
There's a wintry mix in the four-seater. No track.
No track.
Fresh powder going to Mill Creek. Oh yeah, buddy. that is. This is why I wanted to come down here. I knew it'd be beautiful. Good thing he put those toe warmers on. sounding a little frozen.
What's that?
Gigi sounds a little frozen.
Yeah, she's a little cold.
This is the McHone Twin Waterfalls. GC hiked his little butt down there and got some shots. He's going to turn the buggy around now. We're going to go to the other waterfall, Allard Mountain Falls. The creek's looking pretty today. I took a ride.
Alright.
I'm getting kind of cold out here.
Yeah.
Pretty cool to go through Mill Creek and be the first track. That's awesome. I love it. Heck yeah. I knew the waterfall would be gorgeous.
I don't think I'm pulling out there this time. We're gonna get a little video though.
Alright. You're gonna walk down there?
I'll walk over here and just get it.
Oh yeah. Please don't fall off the mountain, sir. biting?
No, I don't think it's thick enough.
Well,
Probably about as frozen as it's gonna get too.
Cockpit.
A lot of what?
Snow in my cockpit.
Your cockpit?
Yes. Ah, it's the mailman.
I have no brakes.
You probably don't either. We don't have any brakes. They're frozen. Oh my god. Juicy, don't do that. Stop effing around, sir.
Sorry, my bad.
We don't have any brakes. It's fine. We got this. Hey, sir.
What's up? We survived.
I mean, holy crap. We've been out here, what, 2.5 hours?
Yeah, almost 3 now, yeah.
3? We did probably over 50 miles.
Yeah. Gripping it and ripping it.
I mean, we're covered in snow, but we dressed right. We're good.
Yeah, I'm actually pretty warm.
Yeah.
Other than the backflow of the snow coming in, it wasn't too bad.
Yeah, we need shower curtains for our back doors.
Yeah.
Something like that.
Great time.
Oh, yeah. Well, how do you feel like the tires did?
I am so impressed. Like,
Yeah.
I can't even explain how solid and great feeling they are. Now, I was running 4-wheel drive. I haven't really tried a 2-wheel drive because I know they're going to slide naturally anyway. But
Yeah.
if I was going to drive in snow and anything, I would drive 4-wheel drive. But I couldn't even hardly get to go sideways on the turns.
Yeah.
So.
And they dug out pretty good.
Yeah, so as you're going, they clean out very, very
Yeah.
well. So they don't pack up.
Yeah.
So
Great tire on the
great
snow.
Tires. Great tires. All around great tire.
Yeah. But it's now time to go home because we're feeling like Eskimos in
Yes.
Arkansas.
And I'm ready to get the fireplace going.
Yeah. I mean, it's not really cool that we have to thaw out.
Yeah, we need to go thaw out. But it's going to be super cold tonight, so we need to get a good fire going. So.
Yeah, we got to go take care of the cozy
Great time.
cabin.
I'm so glad we got out.
Yes.
We might have tried to chicken out a little bit, but you know what? Do it.
Send it.
Do it.
Just send it.
Great time.
Yeah, if you don't take any chances, what's the point?
Go live.
Yeah.
Great
What a beautiful ride in Arkansas.
Absolutely.
Yeah, I hope you enjoyed it. What do you say? Do you say?
Always an adventure.
Yeah.
Thanks for watching.
Yeah, we appreciate y'all.
Absolutely.
We'll see you on the next one.
See you on the flip side.
Hopefully it's dry. Well,
Yes.
not snowing.
Hopefully.
We'll see.
But the great thing about all this is it's going to melt and the creeks and the waterfalls are going to be going.
Heck yeah.
Can't
Something to look forward to.
Absolutely.
Yeah, buddy. Okay.
Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.
Got a Kawasaki Terex 4 Blackout Edition. Got it over in Oklahoma last weekend.
Sound right, boy.
boys.
It's down white, boys.